Good morning, guys. For those of you that might have missed our morning Zoom, I'm going to do a little recording to kind of go over some things I went over with the kids. So I'm going to start with our book because we always need a book to listen to.
A story about virtual classroom expectations. Written and illustrated by Diane Alver. To my children, Ryan and Nana. Hi, my name is Spot. I hear you are going to start learning online, and I'm here to help. That's great. Learning online is new for us, so any tips would be helpful. Absolutely. Learning virtually or online is like learning in school, but it just feels a little different. Instead of learning in a physical classroom at school, you will be learning on a computer in a virtual classroom.
Okay, so that book kind of talked about what it's going to be like for us. It's going to be a little different. We're going to have to do a few things differently, but it's just like school. We're going to have to be ready. Now, every morning, whether you're going to meet with Miss Rachel before, if you're going to try to work before 9:30, if not at 9:30, Miss Rachel's going to be ready for you on Zoom, on the Buzz. So you're going to click Buzz off that Symbaloo page, you're going to type in your username and your password. Remember, your username is going to be a long list of numbers. And your password has 2 capital letters. I know when Miss Rachel gave you the sheet when you came to meet me, it didn't have capital letters. But guess what? It's supposed to. So, always use capital letters. Now, when you log in, it looks just like this. And guess what? Where do you think we're going to start? The place that says, hey, start here. So you're going to click right there. And you can see where it says week 1 assignments. Now, right here is where you're going to complete your assignments at the day. So you notice Miss Rachel has included the Zoom link that was for today. You're going to do some lessons on Zearn. Now, if you need the class code, it's going to ask for a class code. It's right there on the page. And then you have some Lincoln Learning lessons to do. Now, do you know how to find those Lincoln Learning lessons? If not, Miss Rachel's going to show you. So I'm going to go back. And I'm going to go back to the home screen. And I'm going to go over here to Language Arts. And I'm going to open up Language Arts. And I'm going to go to Lesson 1. And guess what? Those 5 lessons are all you have to do today. If you look under Lesson 2, it's not for today. It's for tomorrow. So you don't have to worry about those. So you do your 5 lessons on Lincoln Learning. And then you can go back to the home, go back to your phonics page, open up your assignments, and let's see. I've done my Lincoln Learning, so now it's time for me to go to Zearn. I can click on the little link and then click this link right here, and it'll send me to Zearn, where I'll probably have to use my login. It's the same login as your Lexia, your Reflex, and your Dreambox. Now, if you finish early, you can work on your art lesson, or you can also get on Lexia. It is set up and ready to go. Dreambox is not ready yet, and neither is Reflex, but Miss Rachel will get those set up this week. No worries if something doesn't work. We're all in this together, and we're going to make it through. If you've got any questions, you know how to get a hold of Miss Rachel. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys tomorrow.